Everyone who takes barbecue and grilling half seriously uses an instant read meat thermometer. Instant read thermometers are essential tools for cooking, especially in barbecue and grilling. They provide temperature readings within seconds, typically 2 to 5 seconds, allowing for quick checks without significant heat loss from the food. They're standard equipment in professional kitchens due to their reliability and importance in food safety. There are many instant read thermometer to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best instant read thermometer from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the description for pricing and details. Let's get into the video. Number 1. ThermoPro Digital Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro Digital Meat Thermometer is a versatile and user-friendly kitchen tool designed to enhance your cooking experience. With its large 2.0-inch auto-rotating backlit display, this thermometer caters to both right and left-handed users and performs well in low light conditions. Its motion sensing technology automatically turns the device on and off, conserving battery life for up to 3,000 hours. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures easy cleaning, while the magnetic back and hang hole offer convenient storage options. Featuring a 4.3-inch food-grade stainless steel probe, this thermometer provides ultra-fast readings within 3-4 seconds and boasts high accuracy of ISO 0.9df. It's suitable for measuring temperatures of various food types. The lock function allows you to read temperatures away from heat sources, and the calibration feature ensures long-term accuracy. Number 2. OXO Good Grips Instant Read Thermometer. The OXO Good Grips Instant Read Thermometer is a reliable and user-friendly kitchen tool designed to ensure perfect cooking results every time. Featuring a large, easy-to-read LCD display, this thermometer provides clear and accurate temperature readings at a glance with a wide temperature range from 40 deg to 302 dg40, deg-C to 150 TEEC to 150 deg. It's versatile enough to handle various cooking tasks, from checking the doneness of meats to monitoring candy-making temperatures. The thermometer offers the flexibility to display temperatures in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, catering to diverse user preferences. Its durable stainless steel probe ensures precise measurements and long-lasting performance. A standout feature is the included storage sleeve, which conveniently lists recommended internal temperatures for different meats, serving as a handy reference guide during cooking. Number 3. Panacea Bluetooth Cooking Thermometer. The Panacea Bluetooth Cooking Thermometer is a cutting-edge culinary tool that revolutionizes your cooking experience. Its guided cooking system ensures perfect results every time, allowing you to select your preferred doneness level even in challenging cooking environments. With an impressive 800-foot wireless range, powered by advanced 5.2 Bluetooth technology, you can monitor food temperatures with unprecedented freedom of movement. Viewrometer offers dual monitoring option. View readings directly on the host display or use the Joybike app on your smartphone for remote monitoring, custom alerts, and notifications based on temperature and time. This versatility allows you to track cooking progress effortlessly and receive instant alerts when your food reaches the desired temperature. The Panacea thermometer boasts exceptional battery life, with the probe lasting 14 hours and the host unit running for 72 hours on a single charge. Moreover, a fully charged host can recharge the probe up to 100 times, ensuring long-lasting performance. Number 4. Inkbird Instant Read Meat Thermometer. The Inkbird Instant Read Meat Thermometer is a versatile and efficient kitchen tool designed to elevate your cooking experience. This ultra-fast digital thermometer provides accurate readings in just 3-5 seconds with a lock feature to retain readings after probe removal. The device features a rechargeable 250 mAh lithium battery, providing up to 11 hours of backlit operation on a single charge, eliminating the need for frequent battery replacements. Its waterproof design allows for easy cleaning under running water and use in various weather conditions, making it suitable for measuring temperatures of liquids, meats, candies, and more. The thermometer's magnetic back enables convenient storage on metal surfaces like ovens or refrigerators. Number 5. Professional Meat Thermometer Digital. The Professional Meat Thermometer Digital by Thermomaven F1 is a culinary game-changer, offering unparalleled speed and accuracy in temperature readings. This NIST-certified device delivers results in just 0.50.7 seconds with all-we 0.5 degf precision, ensuring perfect cooking every time. Its IP67 waterproof design makes it durable and easy to clean, while the energy-saving wake function and magnetic back provide convenient usage and storage. The smart backlight and 180 rotating probe ensure easy reading in any lighting condition or hand orientation. NSF certified for food safety. This versatile thermometer is suitable for various cooking methods, from barbecuing to baking, whether you're a home cook or a professional chef. The Thermomaven, one offers the precision and reliability needed for culinary success. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.